how to organize a closet. I have a 7-step system to help you get rid of the clutter and have the most organized closet. Because once you declutter, you feel so good about not just your closet, but also your life. It gives you a sense of being neat and organized in your life. If you follow my method, not only you will declutter your closet, but also you will save money going forward. It'll make it so easy for you to see what you already own so that you won't be getting the same thing repeatedly. How to organize a small closet. If you have a small closet with lots of clothes, if you follow this 7-step system, you will have the most organized closet ever. My name is Chi. You're watching Petite Dressing. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am 5'2" petite blogger. I talk about how to dress for your body shape and your height, and anything in fashion that short girls are interested in. Subscribe to my channel, you will get a notice every time I upload a new video. I also welcome your comments after you watch this video. Invite you to join me on my Facebook group, Petite Fashionista. Now let's get started. First things first, this is what I'm using today, a big laundry bin, my winter closet that needs to be cleaned. And then I have another bin, any clothes I do not intend to keep. If you're wondering how to organize your closet, the first thing you should do is to decide what you want to keep. There's several tips I can share with you. When is the last time that you wore these clothes? That's a big indicator of how much you really like these clothes. Well, the last time you wear it, probably over 2 years or like 3 years. Anything like that, you should consider taking them out. For anything that we haven't used for the last 2 years, probably it's a very small chance that you're going to use it again. There's probably some reasons that you were not wearing it. The style is not on trend anymore. Anyways, if it stays the way it is in your closet, you probably are still not gonna wear it. So take them out if you have not worn anything for the last 2 years. And second of all, which is also important to consider, does the clothes still fit your lifestyle? For instance, if you were a school principal and then you retired recently, so your closet might need a major change, a major update. What you used to wear is no longer suitable for your current style. And the third one is, have you had major weight fluctuation? Our body goes through changes. So you want to keep those clothes that you can immediately wear separately. I'm not gonna keep tailored suit. Gosh, when is the last time I was wearing a tailored suit? Probably like 5 years ago, like 8 years ago when I was interviewing for a job. Once you decide you're not going to keep these clothes anymore, then you put them in one pile. Off you go. So now you've gone through the first step. You have thrown out everything that you do not want to keep in your closet. These are the clothes that you want to keep in your closet. So the next step is to figure out which clothes needs to be washed. Take good care of your clothes and make them last so much longer. Wool coats or the down coats go to the dry cleaner. Here's my down coat. Set aside all the winter coats that I need to take to the dry cleaners. Now you're gonna organize your closet, arranging them in order so that the clothes that you're gonna use most often for this season is gonna be closest to you, easiest for you to reach them. From the left to the right, this side is easiest for me to reach. Dresses for spring and summer is gonna be in the front. These clothes for the winter to the back of my closet. So once you finish this step, all your winter clothes are going to be on the other side, the far side of your closet. And all your summer clothes that you are ready to wear for this season is going to be the closest to you. You can easily reach them every morning when you're getting ready. Now, how do you organize your closet so that you won't be repeatedly buying the same style or the same color? Now, here's my secret. Once you've gone through the first steps for the current season, you're going to organize your clothes first by occasions. What I mean by that is what you wear to work, what you wear to parties, what you wear for outdoors. When your clothes are organized by occasion, that will make it so much easier for you to find them. These are my dressy dresses, so I need these clothes to be on one side. Those are the dresses I wear if I have a client meeting or something like that, so that should be on a different side. Once you have gone through that step, now within the same occasion, you organize your clothes by colors. These are all my white colors, and these are all my reds. This, of course, is not my entire closet, but I wanted to show you, once you're finished with this step, this is what your closet should look like. They're grouped by prints and colors. So by using this method, you will immediately notice what you have too much or what you don't have enough. For the clothes that don't need to be hung up, t-shirts, tanks, these fabric containers I got from Amazon. Once you're done with organizing the clothes in your closet, the next step is to organize your bags. As you can see, I have the bigger size bags. I put them on top of the shelf so that it makes it easier for me to reach them. If it's a tote bag, it may not hold its shape on its own. See, I actually put two smaller bags inside this one big tote bag. One is safe space, and two, that will make the tote bag hold its shape. Now this tote bag can hold its shape and stay on the shelf. The same here. I got another small bag inside, killing two birds with one stone. That's how I make sure my bags stay in the shape. Here's another video that you should watch on how to style for your body type and for your height. Watch this video and let me know what you think.